Has your refrigerator gone bad? Damaged beyond repair? Do you need to dispose of your refrigerator without angering Mother Nature and going against numerous environmental laws? There are 3 ways to dispose of a refrigerator. Recycle it, trade it off for a new one, or call a certified junkyard to pick it up. This video will give you detailed information on how to dispose of your refrigerator with one of these methods. But before you dispose of the refrigerator, is it beyond repair? The first sign that your refrigerator has gone bad is if it doesn't cool items kept in it anymore. But you want to be certain that the problem cannot be fixed easily. If a refrigerator stops cooling, a number of things could be wrong. Either one or more of the components is faulty and needs to be replaced. Or perhaps, it just needs regular servicing. A faulty compressor, for example, may cause a refrigerator not to cool properly. A compressor is a component that increases the temperature and pressure of the refrigerant. The refrigerant then cools down and absorbs the heat of the refrigerator, then making it cooler. If the compressor or the compressor start relay, for example, is faulty, then it is better to replace them instead of disposing of the entire unit. Other components that could be faulty in the refrigerating unit are condenser, evaporator, expansion valve and other related parts. So, it's wiser to let a technician check out all the components to ascertain it can't be fixed. Sometimes, however, the cost of repairs may outweigh the cost of purchasing a new unit. If that's the case, it's better to get a new refrigerator. This is to save energy and money too, as experts have noticed that faulty refrigerators tend to consume more energy than usual. But, if you have come to a definite conclusion that what you need to do to your refrigerator is to dispose of it, then we've got you covered in this video. Here's how to dispose of a refrigerator. The specifics. A refrigerator consists of various metal parts and other harmful substances such as the refrigerant. And for this reason, you simply can't take it out with regular trash, also considering that it is quite bulky. This is why disposing of a refrigerator must be done carefully and properly. Method 1. Recycling. Recycling is most times the best option when it comes to disposing of bulk metal appliances, which is why we're going through it first before the other option. This method brings extra cash because there are companies that have the sole interest of purchasing old appliances for them to be recycled. Amazing, right? Let's get down to how it actually works. First, you want to let people know you have a fridge you'd like to recycle. So, you need to list your old fridge to be sold. Online websites such as Facebook Marketplace have made things easier. All you need to do is upload it and indicate all other specifications about the fridge. By the way, it's best to keep things 100% and not lie. For instance, clearly state that the fridge may have certain defects if you suspect or know for sure that it actually has some defects. As they say, honesty is key. Method 2. Trading it for a new refrigerator. Another thing you may want to consider is to walk into the manufacturer's store of your old refrigerator and check if they offer trade-in services. If it is available, all you need to do is to bring your old fridge and then pay an extra amount of money to get a new unit. And in the event that you don't know any store nearby, you could also check their website and speak to their customer service agents for more information. And voila! You might have yourself a new refrigerator without so much stress. Method 3. Sending it to a junkyard. A junkyard is basically a designated place where scrap metal is collected to be recycled or properly discarded. There are certified junkyards where different types of metal or waste are disposed of properly, without you having to worry about endangering people's lives. All you need to do is find one that can properly dispose of your old refrigerator. You could ask if they have arrangements to pick up the fridge, or whether you have to drop it off yourself. Most times, some of these junkyards pay for these scrap metals. So, you could also be making some extra cash too. Bottom line. You can't just dump your old refrigerator in the dustbin, because it disregards a lot of waste management laws, amongst other reasons. So, disposing of your refrigerator has to be done in a safe and proper way. Make sure you are complying with the environmental laws of the land. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our site refrigeratorsreviewed.com for more refrigerator tips like this.